Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we're going to do a quick sketch of Pinky and the Brain. Sorry, only Pinky, brain from Pinky and the Brain, and we're going to try to draw him in his human form. So if you have your pens all set, or your pencils, we will set and draw. So I'm drawing the brain, and what he is we've done another sketch of the brain in the near past, but it just struck me that why not do one with his human version. So I had something in mind, so I'll share it, and let's hope that it is entertaining, exciting, and translates well. So I have the brain. So it's all a collection of basic shapes right here, because he's essentially a mouse, evil mouse, who wants to take over the world. So as you see, that C lines, everything joining nicely, and I have his very frowning face like that. So that is the mouth right there, and that is the brain. See, he has his hands behind his back there, and to move this up a little bit so that why not try to accommodate all of his anatomy in there. So that is the brain, and he has this tail, which of course will not be there in human form. So to make the human version of the brain, I need to replicate that cranium. So human version does not necessarily mean that I am doing an ultra realistic version here. So what I'm doing is I am basically just taking the core elements from the mouse version, and I am putting them together to create the human version. So very easy, and to best do this, I think let's give him large ears, and then I'm going to have him, let's say, a tie. So hands behind the back there, should have gone here really, and there we have it. And I would give him a checkered coat, perhaps even those. So there we have it, the brain from Pinky and the Brain, and a human version of the animal version. Thank you very much for watching. Please do subscribe, keep in touch. Have yourself a wonderful day.